Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to start off, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And from here, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down. It will give you this animation, and you can swipe it up to share, swipe down for a scrollable screenshot, and swipe to the side also to get rid of it. And on top of the scrollable screenshots, as you just let me go back. So hold, you can swipe down. There we go, and let's allow it, and this will begin the scrollable. Now, as you can see, it does stop whenever you touch it. So you basically have to patiently wait till it scrolls down to the point and then quickly tap on it. And from here you can shrink it down a bit if you want to, like so, and then tap on the save button, and that will save the scrollable screenshot. Now both of those images can be found in your photo gallery, so let's open up the gallery and go to albums, where you'll have the screenshots folder, and then here we have this is the scrollable one, as you can see, based on the fact that we have black borders. This is the first one, the longer version of it, and then just a typical screenshot, the first one that I captured. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.